Oh, we're going.
Hey y'all. Today's video is gonna be about organizing or decluttering, really. It's gonna be about my closet. So I'm going to go through and try to clean out my closet, organize it, make it look nice, get through some of the clothes that have been in there for I don't know how long that I probably have never worn or worn once, and I keep it for no reason whatsoever. So just come along with me. Maybe you'll get some inspiration to do your own closet. And I'm like kind of excited about this because I can't wait for the end result. And then half of me is not very excited because I hate doing these kind of things. So we shall see how it goes. Y'all, so it's bare up here because I already started taking stuff out, but as of now, there's still a ton of stuff down here in these drawers. All of this up here that I'm trying to get through. I've just been over this closet. Here's all the stuff that was hanging up that I took out, which is ridiculous. And I probably wear like 2% of all this stuff that's in my closet. And since it's getting to be cooler, I decided now is the perfect time to start putting all the winter stuff into my closet and getting rid of all the summer stuff. Because my closet is not big enough to hold both. So I'm gonna go through everything and declutter and organize, put everything up for winter, and then go through the clothes that I'm not putting up and figure out if I want to keep them for the summer or the winter next year, or if I want to sell them or give them away. So that is the plan. Hopefully I can get this done tonight. That's my goal. And we shall see. So can't talk. Wish me luck. I'm like, I guess I'm halfway through getting everything out of the closet. I'm not halfway through being done, but baby girl's awake from her nap, so I need to go get her. And then make sure she's got everything she needs whenever I go put her down. Well, put her on the floor to play with her toys and her brothers, and then hopefully I can get back to what I'm trying to do. So, let's go get her. Careful.
I can't pick her up.
I know, she keeps trying to wiggle. Oh, she's so excited. Can you get her? Oh, let's see. Let's put this down. Oh. There we go, mamas. Oh, we're just gonna roll anyways.
She wants to get
she learned how to
Alexa.
do that. She's all on it.
She wants Alexa.
That's what we're doing.
They say up to 3 times drier, so babies can sleep soundly all night. Pampers. I just moved being helpless.
We tried for 2 years.
The day we found out confirmed
You guys see that?
things on each other.
I just put her down in the living room with Georgie. He's like the best with her. And if he gets tired of watching her, he'll come and tell me that he wants to go do something else, and I'll have to come get her. But I just walked in here and realized I used to put her on my bed all the time when I was doing stuff in the room or like in the bathroom, because I could see her, and I just prop her up, you know, with like a bottle or just to lay down with her toys. And now I can't even do that because she's rolling like crazy. She's learning, well, she's almost crawling. She's not there yet, but she moves. So I can't leave her on the bed because she will fall off the bed. I miss those days. Just like her chilling on the bed and being with me. Now I'm gonna have to get like one of those playpen gate things, you know, to make her a little area in the living room. She can't lay on my bed anymore. It's kind of sad. I miss it already. But she's growing up. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I've got piles on the floor, one to sell, one to give away. I have stuff that I want to keep for summertime next year. And then all the stuff on the bed is the things I want to put back in the closet that I need to organize. And I have so many t-shirts, so I'm probably gonna have to go through those again because I doubt I'm gonna wear those all in the winter. And then the other thing I wanted to show y'all were these hats that I have. I knew I had a lot of hats. I didn't know I had this many. So I'm definitely going through these to make sure I keep the ones that I really, really want.
I think you're hungry. You hungry? Are you hungry?
Or maybe she just wants me to hold her. But either way, I'm gonna make her a bottle. And then whenever I'm done with the closet, I need to feed her some dinner and get dinner ready for the rest of the family. I'm hoping it's 5 o'clock, so I'm hoping this lighting is horrible, y'all. I look like a scary person. There, that's a little bit better. Come on, mice. Look at all that crap up there. That's another thing. That's another thing I'm gonna do is clean the top of the fridge. Not today, but soon. So it's 5 o'clock now, which means I don't have very much time left to get this done before I need to do dinner and bath time and homework and bedtime and all the fun stuff. So we need to get this going. I'm gonna get her a bottle.
You ready, mamas? You ready for bubbles?
What the hell are you doing, babe? What is all that?
I am cleaning my closet out. Slowly but surely, it's getting done. I know down here does not look like it, but I don't really have a whole lot of room on my bed and my floor in my room anymore to like pull shit out or stuff out, excuse my language. So now it's just everything that's around here on the floor, up here, all needs to be gone through and put away. And then up here, taking all of this down and redoing that also. And I think I'm gonna move the bins. I don't like them there. I think I might put one on this side and one in this corner, or I might put both on that side. I don't know yet. I haven't figured that out yet, but we'll see. We'll see. Slowly getting there, guys.
It's night time. You ready to go night night, mama?
She's been moaning like she wants to go to sleep. She makes these little noises when I rock her, and that tells me she's ready to go to bed. So we're gonna get her ready for bed. The humidifier, the blue light acts like her night light. Now we're gonna go night-night. Turn the light off. Alright y'all, so for one, I didn't color coordinate anything because I know that I'm not gonna keep it that way. So that's why I think it would have looked a lot nicer if I did, but that would be a lie because I would never ever keep it that way. And I realized as I'm putting all this stuff up is this one's dirty and this one's dirty, so I need to take those out and wash them. And I have a couple other clothes that are being washed and that are in Jade's room, but she's sleeping, so I'm not gonna go get those. But so we start with tank tops, t-shirts that I like the most, so I hang them up, long sleeves. These are sweatshirts or hoodies and sweaters all the way down here. Inside there are dresses that I may or may not wear, but there's only like 4 of them, so I put them in the back. I got scarves, big jackets, vests, flannels, and then my Texans jerseys and my Texans sweatshirt, my 2 purses up here, and then down here at the bottom I have another couple purses and a backpack. And then I have beanies up here, and then here are my heels, and then over here are the shoes that I wear the most so far for now. Starting over here, we've got sneakers, flats up here, and then same thing up there. Nice sandals, and then sneakers. And then starting from here over, it starts with the boots, and these are more of like the chunkier ones, getting to the nicer ones, and then to the booties, and then to the nude heels that I like the most. So that's why I put most of the stuff that I like up at the top. Now down here, in this one I've got t-shirts, majorly t-shirts. Back here, the tank tops that I don't hang up, that are just for throwing on whenever. Down here we have all my comfy pants and leggings. The bottom one is like negligees, so I'm not gonna open that. In here we have all my different hats that I'm keeping. And here is all my Texans shirts. I have a lot of them. And then my like Christmas and flannel PJs, and then button up PJs. And then this one is the jeans that fit me right now, and these are 2 pairs of shorts that I didn't put away. I know it's going to be winter, but just in case for some reason it's hot in Texas, because that happens, and I want to wear shorts, I kept those out. And I don't have very many jeans right now that fit me since I've had baby girl, so there's only a couple in here. But that is it, and I love how like neat and clean it looks in here. It makes me very happy, but I had to do a lot to get this. So I love it. Alright, y'all. Mama is tired. It is about midnight now, and I just finished my closet. It has been a long day. So I am happy it's done. I love the way it looks. Hopefully I can keep it this way. But I'm tired, and I need to clean up my bathroom now, but I can't. I'm too tired. So hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.